Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the account and targets. Make sure you have IAM permission for Systems Manager and an instance role attached to each host. Once done, install or verify the SSM agent runs. This lets the service communicate with your instances. Make sure the instances have outbound access to SSM endpoints or are in a VPC endpoint-enabled network. These steps remove permission and network friction so later features, like Run Command and Session Manager, operate reliably. Next, you register and organize your targets so you can manage them at scale. Attach the proper instance profile, then use tags and inventory to classify by environment, application, or owner. This matters because commands target tags or resource groups. If you have on-premises machines, create an activation and install the agent with the activation code. Once targets appear in the Fleet Manager, you can run patches, collect inventory, or start interactive sessions with consistent, auditable access. Finally, enable automation and validate. Create State Manager associations to enforce baseline configs and build automation runbooks for repeatable tasks. Test Run Command and Patch Manager against a small pilot group and use Session Manager instead of SSH to reduce key management. Once validated, scale associations to more instances. If something fails, check the SSM agent logs, IAM permissions, and VPC endpoints first. These are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.